Whatever we think and pray here will surely come true. If that is fulfilled, then you should pray to give sheep to this god. Goats thus given are scarified here. Here they celebrate is a festival. This event is held here once a year. Two rules are followed here. Small girls are allowed. And another one is gents only allowed here. Humans lived here in the past. Ironwork was done here. They beat the iron with a fine hammer. News are manufactured here. That is what this stone is used for. All spears and arrows were made here. The second rule is that we should not take home even a piece of curry cooked here. Curry should not taken down from this mountain. You can buy as much curry as you want. Don't take those curries into the home. This is the most important rule followed on here. By the time we arrived, the goats had been slaughtered and cooked. We are late. I recorded everything last year. This year is late. They had everything ready to cook before our arrival. Wherever I came, I worshipped God. The temple praises blessed us. I left to explore the forest. On that side, 20 goats are slaughtered and ready for cooking.
Feastival அதே வச்சிருக்கிறேன். இதா வேணுமா வந்து வா.
பிரியாணிக்கு ரிலீஸ் ஆகுறது ரிலீஸ் ஆகி பண்ணுறாங்க எல்லா டிவியில் வரும் ஏற்கனவே ஒரு வீடியோ போட்டு
Now it is exactly 5 p.m. They started giving curry and extracted curry water to everyone. The main feature here is that not curry. The special is the extracted curry water will be given to all the devotees who have come here. Along with this, they will serve rice. This dish is very tasty eating. This food carries all diseases in the body, leaves colds. It can also be called herbal food. Vadivelana bought me food. We also enjoy the food. After this is the main event. Let's see how they serve curry food. They poured the cooked curries in a big cloth and distributed the curries to everyone. We were also given a pot full of curry. We were also given approximately 2 kg of curry. We ate as much as we could and left the remaining curries at the border of these hills. We told those who did not come to this event where we kept the curry over the phone. Then they would go to the place and eat the curries they had left. Do not take a piece of these curries to home. It is very pleasant to visit here. They have been conducting this festival for a long generations. In our busy lives, coming to the forest like this is a very gratifying. Similarly, attend the festivals held near your town. The sound of birds and insects everywhere are wonderful. It is with great pleasure that I conclude this post. Thanks to everyone who watched this video.